Today's word is cloven hooves. It means a hoof that is split into two toes or parts. Characteristic of animals such as goats, sheep, cattle, and pigs. Here are two examples using this word. The mountain goat's cloven hooves gave it excellent grip on the steep, rocky terrain. You can identify deer tracks by the distinct imprint of their cloven hooves in the mud. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are split hooves, divided hooves, bifurcated hooves. Antonyms are solid hooves, single hooves, ungulate hooves. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.